What's up? It is Thursday afternoon, and so I was just playing around on Facebook, and I saw some people in the Clickfunnels Facebook group asking some questions about some of the softwares and things like that. And I saw this one person post something about how they weren't really that intrigued or liked Clickfunnels, and they thought it was really clunky software, very difficult to use, and things like that. And it kind of made me chuckle because that person must be pretty new to the online marketing world. Because years ago, I would say, I don't know, maybe 9, 10 years ago, when I first started dabbling in affiliate marketing and things like that, there was no such thing as ClickFunnels. Okay, there was no really software out there like ClickFunnels that was like a drag and drop kind of editor and easy for you to build. There wasn't really much like that, and if there was, it was really out of reach for like a new beginner or somebody that was just starting their business online. It was more for like a seasoned business owner that can afford $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month softwares that were like these total what they call CRMs, customer relationship management software programs. Okay, like Infusionsoft was like $2,000 to $3,000 a month or something, a crazy thing like that. And I was just like, oh, okay. I'm gonna pay $3,000 a month, and I've got like not one person on my email list. It doesn't make sense. So, for anybody that maybe on the fence about using ClickFunnels, or maybe you're coming over from like a Lead Pages or a Kajabi or something like that, and you're wondering if ClickFunnels is the right thing for you, and you want to start building funnels. I'm not doing this to try to sell you. I'm not doing this for any other purpose, because I've used ClickFunnels and I've used other softwares, and I remember in the older days how difficult it was to try to build a freaking funnel when you first get started. Okay, I mean, you hear Russell Brunson talk about it all the time, how he used to pay these tech guys and just get one funnel built. It would cost him like $30,000. Well, guys, if you're just getting started and you still have a day job, and you're hopping into this right now to try to get things started, you don't have $30,000 to try to build a funnel. I mean, come on, let's be real, right? That's an insane amount of money. So if you're all you have to do for ClickFunnels is you can either pay $97 a month or $297 a month. That's a hell of a lot cheaper than $30,000 to pay a bunch of tech people and copywriters to build out a funnel for you. And if your first funnel or second or third funnel bombs and you don't make any money, well, you only lost $297, not $30,000. Okay, so you'll cry a lot less at night losing $297 a month than you would if you lost 30 grand. I know I would. So, anyways, the point is, I just saw the dude post like that post in the ClickFunnels group, and he was just saying he wasn't really all that impressed with ClickFunnels. And I remember back when I tried to do like a sales page and an upsell and a downsell and things like that. OMG, okay? It was so freaking difficult. I had to go and try to figure out these pages and link all these codes together. And I was on YouTube for like 3 hours trying to figure out like this one little piece of code to like redirect something, this one page to the next page, and how to build a thank you page, because I didn't have all that money for those softwares that can do it for me, right? I was trying to do it like homemade duct tape style, right? And it worked. I definitely got it to work, and eventually got it there. But it was really, really hard, and it would take weeks, if not months, to try to piece everything together. So if you really think about it, ClickFunnels, I mean, I'm sure they have their quirks. I mean, every software does. I'm sure that their support team probably isn't answering your questions as soon as you probably think they should be. But guys, there's lots of advice and other people out there willing to help you that have been using ClickFunnels for a long time. Check out YouTube. Go to ClickFunnels tutorial. Type in your question in YouTube. You'd be surprised what you'd find. Hit other people up like me in Facebook groups, and then find me in ClickFunnels. I'd be more than happy to do like a little tutorial video and kind of walk you through something if I'm able to help you. You know what I mean? So just reach out. Don't just don't downgrade the software just because maybe you don't understand something, or you think it's not the right fit for you. Because let me tell you right now, as far as I know, I think ClickFunnels is by far the best software out there. So, anyways, I'll leave a link down below for a 2-week free trial. If you don't have ClickFunnels, you want to check it out, go ahead. It is an affiliate link, yes, so I do make a little bit of money if you click on it. But that's not the whole purpose of this video. I just wanted to let you know that ClickFunnels is awesome. So check out the link below and go sign up.